Namashivaya children, welcome to English class. I am here with another chapter of grammar. So shall we start today's session children? We are starting a new concept in the grammar, that is conjunction. Okay children, shall we start today's session? Okay. What is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word which is used to join words, phrases, clauses and sentences to one another. Example: and, but, for, as, also, however, hence. These are all the some examples for conjunctions. So here are some more example: because, but, and, when, so, then. These are all some of the examples for conjunctions. So let's see how to use these conjunction in sentences. Sarah is smart and beautiful. So to join two, we are going to use and. Okay. Sarah is smart and beautiful. We are hungry, so we made sandwiches. We have used the conjunction so here because we were hungry, so we made sandwiches. He wants to come, but he can't. So when we are going to use but children, so we are going to use but when there is opposite opinion, difference of opinion. He wants to come, but he can't. That is the opposite. Okay. So then what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join two or more words, phrases or clauses. Understood children? Yes. Examples: joining two or more words. Let's see how to join two or more words. The dog scratched and panted. So we have used and to join two words here. Then joining two or more phrases. My doctor can choose to measure my height, my weight, or check my temperature. This conjunction R is used to join more phrases. Okay, let's see how to join two or more sentences. Eric wants to play basketball. Annie wants to play soccer. So these are the two sentences here. So we have to use the conjunction. We have to join the sentence and make it one sentence. Let's see. Eric wants to play basketball, but Annie wants to play soccer. So we have used the conjunction but here to join more two sentences. Then now we have used two sentences using the word but. We have joined the two sentences and have made one sentence. Then for, because, then not, am not or not neither. It's the meaning of this coordinating conjunctions and their meanings. And in addition, if you want to add some more phrases or some sentences, some other sentence, so we are going to use and. When we are going to add some, we are going to use and. So when we are going to want to give reason, we are going to use because. When we are not or neither, when we are not going to say anything, I'm not or not neither. So then we are going to use not. Then but, opposite difference. Like I gave an example in the last slide. Here Raju likes tea, but Ram likes coffee. So there is a opposite difference, is it not? He likes tea, but other boy likes coffee. Oh, like that. Then or choice option. There is option. You can wear green shirt or red shirt. You can watch the movie or you can go to play. So these are when there is a choice or option, we are going to use or. Then so consequence result, that is because it was raining outside, so we stayed inside. These are all the some examples when we are going to use these conjunctions. So when there is opposite or difference, we are going to use but. Where there is option, we are going to use are. Where the consequence result, by that we are going to use so. Okay, children. Now you have to identify which word is the conjunction. Okay. The mother bear carried her baby and briefcase. Which is the conjunction here, children? And. Okay. So we are adding it. Adding two things like it baby mother bear carried her baby, and we have to add one more thing which mother bear carried. What is that? Briefcase. So we are using and here. Understood, children? Then which word is a conjunction in this sentence? Beethoven can play the piano or compose music in his free time. Yes, here there is option. He can play piano or he can compose music. So there is a option or choice. So we are going to use are here. Okay. Then next, it was snowing outside, so we stayed indoors. This is because it was snowing outside, so they stayed inside. Our dad checked the grill but forgot to check the oven. Here, the difference. Okay, opposite. Our dad checked the grill. Grill is the thing which you can see inside the oven, grills. But forget to check the oven. Okay, here we have used but. Which here in this sentence, which word is the conjunction? I know how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the piano, yet I don't know how to play other songs. Because here he know only one rhyme to play on the piano, but he doesn't know how to play other songs. So he has we are using yet here. I know how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the piano, yet I don't know how to play other songs. Then that is neither what I said nor what I meant. So here neither this one nor that one. So we are using nor here. That is neither what I said nor what I meant. Then most of the visitors were happy just sitting around in the shade, for it had been a long dusty trip on the train. Though most of the visitors are happy just sitting around in the shade because it had been a long dusty trip on the train. Understood, children? Where we have to use which conjunction we have to use. Understood? When we have to use but, when we have to use because, when we have to use so, when we have to use and, then when we have to use or. Yes, when you practice these things, you will be familiar with all the conjunctions. Then you will be knowing when to use which conjunction. Okay, children, watch the video once again. Then you will be familiar. I will be giving assignments on based on this video. Watch the video carefully, children, and answer the questions, that is assignments given. Okay, children, I'll meet you in the next class with another grammar. So until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children. Namah Shivaya.